Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little yarn bird. And you can make these with all your little scraps of yarn in any colors that you like. So let's get started. To make these little birds, first I cut some yarn and I just wound it around some cardstock about 10 times. And then I just cut it along here. To make this one, I wound it around the long section. Tie the longer section in the center like that. Now with these two, place one across like that and then bring them over like that. And now tie each one of these with the same color yarn. Like that. Now take the long bundle and place the section that's been tied right above the joint, right there. And I have a small piece of paper. You could use fiberfill. And I'm going to place that below this long section, like that. Now bring this over like this, and bring these two down, like that. And then with the same color yarn, tie around here. Now you can arrange the yarn so that it covers the paper, and then trim this section to form the tail, like that. I cut a small triangle out of cardboard, and I'm going to hot glue that right there for the beak, like that. And I'm going to hot glue a bead for the eye, like that. I made these little feet with some 20 gauge wire, but you can use a paper clip. So just take the paper clip, fold it up like this, and then you can separate these two like that, and then just pinch them closed. So you'll have to rebend this one. Like that. And then bend this one back down. Like that. And right here inside the body, I'm just going to tuck that inside there. So put some hot glue in there and tuck the little foot in. Like that. And then I'll do the same with this one right here. And there you go. There's a cute little bird that you can make with all your yarn scraps. Don't forget to send pictures if you make them. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.